Hello everybody, my name is Rob Perhamus and I'll be your instructor for this course from UCR Extension in Global Logistics. It's nice to meet you. Anyway, I'm going to get right to it and kind of give you a little introduction. I'm not sure if you've used Moodle before, but I'm going to point out a few things. This is a course description that's in this area here, and this course is about globalization and the impact it's having on local and regional logistics. And we'll be talking about outsourcing, import-export requirements, transporting materials and goods overseas, currency exchange, banking, tariffs, and international trade under NAFTA, World Trade Organization, and other trade agreements. You'll have the opportunity to develop a project focusing on regional issues in different places that may be of specific interest to you. Anyway, the purpose of this video is to say hi, and also just point out a few things in here. A news forum, that's where I communicate to everybody. And what I'll do is I will, on a weekly basis, I'll go here, and this is just for the instructor, okay? So I'll post something that's new. Right now I don't have that option because I'm looking at this from your view. Okay, so now I'm going to click back and go to the course and show you what's in here. The first thing you'll see is the syllabus, and I'm going to, this is an Adobe PDF file with lots of details on it, and you can either read that or I'm going to prepare a second video here shortly and go through some of the key features of the syllabus and what the expectations are. So now I'm just going to go back to the course here and show you some other things that are on here. The next item is there is a link to the catalog to make sure you're in the right course. There's also a LinkedIn profile for myself, so you can read about me if you want to. I don't know why you would, but you can. And feel free to, if you use LinkedIn, feel free to, connect with me. The third item that's on here at the beginning is online office and group video chat hangouts using Google+. And so I would like you to click through and just kind of review what that is. I'll show you a little bit of what it is. It's really cool. It hasn't been around for too long, and I've set up a private community for us and we can hang out. But this shows you the Google advertisement for it, and there's how you might use it, but it's very generic and it's not specifically for this class. Well, I've created a special what they call a Google community. If you're familiar with Facebook, it's kind of like a group, but it gives you this opportunity to have conversation with up to 10 people in a room at a time. So hopefully we can do that, and you don't have to have a webcam and a microphone. You can get by chatting in the room, just text chatting, and but I hope that you'll join in. It's kind of new, it's kind of fun, it's kind of unique, and it's the way of the future. So anyway, show you how to sign up for that, join this Google Plus over here and all that kind of stuff. Back to the course. Okay, back into Moodle here. We have over here you'll find right now you'll find out who the participants are. And right now there's really no one other than other administrative people. But as you sign up, your names and the names of other students will show up here that are taking this course. There'll be forums. These are activities. Right now there's just a news forum, but I'll be posting other forums. A forum is where we'll have a written discussion. So in other words, I'll show you some content. Ask you to go look at something, watch a video, perhaps read something, and then we'll have a discussion about that. And I'll show you how that actually works in the next video. But this is more or less just how do you navigate this thing. Okay, I'll have a list of all the resources that are available, and right now there's not very many showing, but there'll be more resources and links as the course goes on. You can find your grades over here, and you can find your profile over here. This is my Moodle profile, and but I'm also just going to send you that link to LinkedIn. It's probably more accurate. and you don't need to read it twice, but it is there if you want to see about me. I think it's the same thing. And then if you want to look at the grades, they'll be under this, and it will show your grades. And if you want to check in on that. So, if you're not used to Moodle, if you look over here on the right side, there's Moodle Help for Students. Okay? And there's you can submit questions about Moodle, frequently asked questions. There's some tutorials that are in here, some different things that you might find useful, especially if you haven't taken a class in Moodle before. What else? That's for instructors. That's really detailed stuff. You don't really need to do that. And when you do log in, there should be a calendar over here. Okay, well, that's all for right now. I'm going to come back with another video that I'm going to prepare and kind of go through the syllabus. Will be the next video. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.